Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the implementation of Chatty, the chatbot. I implemented it using React and used Redux to control my states. Uh, this is design, pretty basic design. So over here, there's this JSON screen over where you can this is by default question bank, and you can change the text of this thing. So if I say choose one of the cases, the text would become one of the cases. And this is another library which I found online. It was called, I think, the react-JSON-editor. I'll share the link on GitHub. And, uh, and what it allows me to do is, first of all, it checks for syntax error if I do have some syntax error on the screen. So like, I can't do that, like I said. So if I remove this and auto formats, and it directly handles my different question bank. Then I think I was using it. I'll just refresh the screen for a second. Um, right. So basically, I try to talk to Chatty right now without initiating the question bank. It has some standard response. If I told it my name, instead it will keep it in mind. And if I initiate Chatty, it would take questions from these question banks, and like you can see, there was this action which just got fired. It says question bank updated. By the way, this is this Redux development tools which I am using as a Chrome extension, and it allows me to show the diff, the states of the actions, and I can even record it like step by step, see what is being. And so, see, all the question bank got updated with exactly what's there in this JSON. And, right. So, like I said, choose a case. I'll first go with A. Okay, that's a good choice. Why did you choose A? Because I never got A's in school. So I chose A. Okay, looks like this is the limit. So to terminate this conversation, I have this pretty catchy messages where it says goodbye to you, and then like let's say if I were to pick another response like B instead of A, let me show you this. I should have put a button to clear the redux state, but I'll initiate chatty again, and this time I choose a B, and say yeah, that's why did you choose me? Have the follow up question that we had in a JSON file comes up over why did you over here, and I can write a response to it by saying I always got B's, so I chose B. Right, and then this is the same termination, nice little termination speech Chatty gives us. It's about choice and blah blah. And it says sayonara after everything is done. Then now I'm gonna show you C. C has multiple options after the follow-up questions. So yeah, you'll see that. So choose a case. Please choose A, B, and C. I choose this one. Sorry, I chose the wrong. I didn't like. So apparently your chat is silly and it asks the same question again if we don't give the right response. So you C, and then it asks why did you choose C? Please choose one. So why did I choose C? And the options are cat, camel, and cuckoo. I don't know, maybe C for cuckoo. That's why I chose C. So I just say that. And then there's again the same termination speech. Right. So basically, this simple implementation of React is a UI task, and I have used a very standard style guide for designing this called Tailwind CSS. And then apart from that, the Redux library. Uh, this is the development tools that I use were Redux development tools to check my states and to debug. Yeah, so pretty much that's it.